In today's video, we're going to show you step by step on how to figure out how rats are getting underneath your tub and to prevent you from hiring those other pest control companies that don't have the same skill set that's going to waste your money, time, and cause more damage to your home. So let's get started. So I get a call from Abby and Jose claiming, Jim, we got to figure this out. We've hired multiple pest control companies and they can't figure out how they're getting in. And now we're hearing a lot of scratching underneath our tub. So let's go inside, scope it out, let's talk to them, and let's get this figured out today.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you hear it last night as well?
Come on in.
Okay.
There's only one crawl space. This roof up here is compared to that, it's like impossible to get through.
To get to that other side.
There's a bunch of dead pipes. You could tell stuff has been cut off, added on, so it's like everything's kind of blocked up there.
Okay.
At night, you really hear like loud. There has to be multiple ones, but you feel their tails just like whipping this thing.
Yeah, let's go check out the closet.
The closet right here is like the same thing. We just hear them like clawing and scratching.
When you guys bought it, was that completely renovated or did you guys renovate it?
We did.
Was there droppings back then?
No.
Interesting. Okay.
So unfortunately, I hired a family member to do the tub and he didn't replace anything, and I have a feeling things should have been replaced.
Yeah. So none of the vents are giving us any indication that they're sewer rats, but that doesn't mean anything. He was explaining to us that he had to replace some piping, and that little sign of, hey, I hired a family member. I kind of, reflecting back, kind of wish I would have replaced all of the piping. So we're gonna do a smoke test right now. Definitely open up that access panel in that closet and start from there and see what we can do to figure this bad baby out. All right, so in preparation for the smoke test, we're gonna go ahead and remove that access panel there. That smells bad. See the rat grease on the wood there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get access into the attic here before we get our smoke started. All right, we found the clean out to the side here. Here's the bathroom. So it connects. That's what Ben was telling us earlier. They had to replace all the underground. So I'm gonna open that up and see what we can find. Okay, the line's not that deep. All right, so we've got the sewer camera smoke test. We're gonna go ahead and insert it in that one there. That's the toilet, this is the tub. So this is the hot spot here. We'll start with that one first. All right, we're smoking. Guess we're getting smoke already. Where is it? Oh yeah. Smoke immediately, like within 2 minutes. All right, while my guys are building the container, because we definitely have to open up that wall in that closet, I'm gonna go up and run the camera in the meantime to see what we can do to find if there's any potential breach on that 2-inch vent. Let's head there now. Okay, so Daniel's setting up the camera. I'm gonna run it down this pipe right here. And look at this, guys. They left the vent wide open inside there. It's not even connected. Let's go down further. Okay, that's the issue right there. What I'm gonna do now is figure out where that is. I'm gonna go down below. Okay. Take the camera, go back and forth, and then I'll determine where it's at inside the ceiling. Okay. Okay? Sounds good. Within 15 minutes, guys. Literally 15 minutes. It took us longer to set up than we did find it. Here we go. I'm hearing it right here. I'm deciding which ceiling to open up. Do I open up here, here, or since we're gonna build a container, do I just open up right there? But let me decide here, guys. Hang tight. All right, so Luis is gonna build a critical barrier here so we can concentrate on opening up that along that tub, get all that cleaned out. I think our best bet is opening this up right here. This is where the drain is. All right, so we're gonna add a zipper door here. Luis taught us the most amazing way to put a zipper door in. Most guys just go straight. Watch how Luis does it. Isn't that cool? Nice job. All right, we got all the containments done. Protected the floor. We got plastic and painter's drop cloth. Plastic here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and make the incision.
Yes, a lot.
All right, so we've exposed the pipe here. We're up into the ceiling area. You can see my camera. I can see some of the rat grease here on the wood. That vent is right here. We open up right here because I think there's another breach right here, and that's why they're dumping in through the tub. See the rat grease right there. It's chewing on the waste and overflow right there. We're performing another smoke test. This time we moved it over to the 3-inch. Okay, we're getting a lot of smoke, so there's a breach over here on that vent stack. Oh, there it is right there. Yeah, I can see the light go up and down. There's his camera right there, you guys. That's where they're coming in and out right there. So you guys saw his camera head there. It's right there in between this structural here. So now I gotta figure out how we could even repair that. So that's where they're coming in and out right there, guys. That's the slab. They're coming right through there. Hard to see, guys, but right here. Right, so there's the issue right there. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut this vent here, and then we gotta figure out a way to vent this out right here. They literally chewed all this up. That is the destruction that rats do. Amazing, amazing. All right, so I got a brush here. We're gonna take this here, and then this is perfect to get underneath the skirt of the tub to scrub as much of that grease as possible before we put our Twinzyme on it. I'm gonna take some hot water and soap first. So this is the back side of the tub. You can see how much contamination there is. All right, so we've got the plumbing repair done, connected. We're just gonna throw some concrete around that connection there because we didn't wanna obviously jackhammer everything up. It's just a vent line. All right, we're gonna head up to the attic now and do the repair. We're gonna put a Studer vent on that one vent, it's wide open. It's a tight squeeze. All right, Daniel, go ahead and shine some light up. I'm gonna see if I can see any light in the attic, okay?
Okay.
It's dark up here. Do the wires. See the light right there, you guys? Okay, do the other one now. Look at that, huge gap, massive. Right here, yeah, coming in through there, right there. You can see how we vacuum, remember, all a bunch of rodent droppings everywhere. Got all these cleaned up, but definitely coming through here. Coming through here, I can see the rat grease. So we're gonna go ahead and exclude all of those holes now that divides the garage and the kitchen. All right, so we placed a trap right here on the right-hand side, inside the skirt of the tub. So we've got one trap there. I'm gonna set one trap up into the ceiling before we cover that one. You can see a runway here, we're wiring mesh here, and then we're gonna go ahead and foam. A lot of work today, guys, we accomplished. Super, super happy. Wow, long day. Got 2 monitoring cameras, 1 in the attic, and we've got 4 rat traps for tonight. Let's see if we can get anything. We'll be back here tomorrow. As you can see, the rat approaches the rat trap. He delicately takes and steals the bait right off the bait plate and walks away. This is exactly why we were forced to invent the hoodie and the bait tugger. Team did an amazing job today. That Daniel was like a little snake inside that tight attic. Amazing, amazing job. From the exclusion work to the detection. Awesome, awesome day. So we set up the camera, guys, and literally as we were cleaning up, we got a rat. Oh yeah. Got that sucker. Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Wow, guys, we finally got that rat in the attic. Pretty big boy as well. Check it out right here. You can see he was very neophobic at first with that rat trap, and as soon as we excluded, we got him on that trap. Now that is how you get rats out from underneath your tub. Hiring a typical pest control company to come out, set some bait stations around your house, place a few traps, seal a few holes around the house is simply not going to work. You gotta have the proper skill set, the proper equipment, and get to the root of the problem. Hopefully you like this video, hit the like, the subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. I wish I was there, but this for sure deserves the rat dance.
Another successful rat extermination. Job solved. We will see you